Assalamualaikum, dear student of class 6. I know you are all fine, and today welcome to my period subject in grammar or English beta. Okay, now today our topic is phrase and sentence. Phrase and sentence. So first of all, I will tell you, we will learn what beta? Phrase. Okay. Phrase. So first of all, we will talk about phrase. Yes. Phrase fikro, right? यहाँ fikra. Difference between what is phrase and sentence, and also difference between, right beta? Phrase a combination of words. Okay. A combination of words that makes sense but not a complete sense. A combination of words that makes sense but not complete sense. Okay, now phrase a combination of words that makes sense but not complete sense. Okay, which has some meaning. Which has some meaning but does not clear and complete sense. That is called phrase. Now beta, a combination of words that makes sense but not complete sense. Sense tadindo or complete sense nairindo. Cheto but not complete sense, which has some meaning but does not clear and complete sense. That is called phrase. Yeah, group of words which give not complete meaning. That is called phrase. Suppose, for example, a very big parcel. A very big parcel meaning to दे तो बाबा a very big parcel एक तमाम वडो parcel तोहफो पर शाम में किथे on the second example on the table. What on the table? Which thing on the table? Which thing in the big parcel? We don't know. So these are phrases, not a sentence. Right beta? Phrase a combination of words that make sense but not complete sense, which has some meaning but does not clear and complete sense, that is called phrase. Got it? Yes or no? No. Okay, don't worry, I will repeat again. Beta, phrase, a combination of words that makes sense but no complete sense, which has some meaning, but does not clear and complete sense, that is called a phrase. Such a group of words which gives not complete meaning. Right beta? Now example, a very big person on the table, I am, you are, these are phrase, not sentences. Okay, now sentence. Now sentence. Sentence is an arrangement of words that makes complete sense. Sentence is an arrangement of words. Is an arrangement of words that makes complete sense. Sentence. Sentence is an arrangement of words. Sentence is an arrangement of words that makes complete sense. That makes complete sense. That has complete sense. That is called a sentence. It must be meaningful. It must be meaningful. Okay. It must be meaningful. Now, sentence is an arrangement of words that makes complete sense. That is called sentence. It must be meaningful. Okay, Baba. Now, suppose for example, okay, नजमा सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग. नजमा गानों गाए थी. ओके, नजमा सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग. नजमा गानों गाए थी. इट गिव्स कंप्लीट मीनिंग एंड सेंस. नजमा इज अ सब्जेक्ट. नजमा जो कम करे थी, कम कहिड़ो करे रही है पुट? नजमा ॻाइण जो करे रही है. छा ॻाए रही है पुट? सॉन्ग ॻाए रही है. छा ॻाए रही है? सॉन्ग ॻाए रही आहे. Okay, difference between phrase and sentence. Phrase does not give complete meaning or sense, and sentence gives a complete meaning or sense. Right beta? Okay, now parts of sentence. Parts of sentence. Every sentence has 3 parts. Parts of sentence. Every sentence has three parts. Every sentence has 3 parts. Which are they? Cool down beta. Budaya thi baba. First, subject, second verb, now last third, file, fail, maf'ul. Okay, now every sentence has three parts. First, subject, second, verb, third, object. Right? Subject, file, verb, fail, object, maf'ul. Okay, now in this example, Najma is subject, sings is verb, song is object. Okay, do you understand? Yes, shabash, very good. Now can I erase this? Yes, okay, very good. Now, first, what? Subject. First, subject. What is subject? A subject is the person, place, thing. Now, I will write. A subject is person, place, now thing. Now thing or idea. Now subject is a person, place, thing or idea that the sentence is about. That the sentence it is what performs the action. It is what performs the action in the sentence, action in the sentence, that is called subject. Okay, example same. Okay, other example. They play a game. They persons beta. So subject. Right beta. Now second object. Show the action. Yeah, state. Okay. Example. They play. verb, subject. Now beta, lastly object. Lastly object. Object is the person or thing that receive the action. Okay. Last, third, object. Object is a person. Object is the person or thing is the person or receives the action, receives the action of the verb in the sentence. Okay. Example, they play a game. Subject, verb, object. Okay beta, now first sentence, arrangement of words that makes complete sense, that is called sentence. It must be meaningful. Parts of sentence, Najma sings a song. Najma गानो गाए थी. Najma is subject, sings verb, a song object. Now parts of sentence, according to the grammatical rule, every sentence has 3 or 2 parts. Combined verb and object were also called only one part, which predicate. But now you will learn Najma parts of sentence, 3 parts of sentence: subject, verb and object. Now look at what is subject? What is subject? A subject is a person, place, thing or idea that the sentence is about. It is what performs the action. मतलब कम जो कंदड़ जेको माना नाउन भी थी तो सके, पर्सन थी तो सके, प्लेस भी थी तो सके, पुट थिंगे मतलब वो कहिड़ो कम करे रहियो आहे, मतलब जेको कम करे रहियो आहे उन करण वारे खे छा चइबो आहे? सब्जेक्ट. राइट बेटा. एज दैट दे प्ले अ गेम, उहे रांदि खेॾनि था. दे इज अ डूअर ऑफ वर्क. Okay, so there is a subject. And second part, oh sorry, not object, verb beta, sorry. Verb. Verb, show the action or state. They play. They put, they what छा करे रहिया आहिनि? play, खेॾी रहिया आहिनि. त play छा थियो असांजो? verb, work थी वियो. Okay, या other definition, verb is work, या verb is an action word. Now last third, object. Last object. Object is the person, thing that receives the action of the verb. मतलब जेको कम कयो, जेको कम जो कंदड़ जेको कम करे रहियो आहे पुट, करे तो उन कम जो असर जेको रिसीव तो करे जंहिंते पवे तो उनखे असां छा चवंदा आहियूं? ऑब्जेक्ट चवंदा आहियूं. जीअं नाउ एज दे प्ले अ गेम, उहे खेॾनि था रांदि. पुट रांदि ते असर थो पवे या उन्हनि ते असर थो पवे? उन्हनि ते पुट नथो पए, उहे त खेॾी रहिया आहिनि. छा खेॾी रहिया आहिनि? रांदि खेॾी रहिया आहिनि. राइट बेटा. सो नाउ sentence and its parts and phrase and difference between phrase and sentence. Okay, now Once again, sentence is an arrangement of words that makes complete meaning. पुत्र एडे ध्यान दो बाबा. Sentence यानी जुमलो. Sentence means जुमलो माना लफ़्ज़ जो मेड़ तो थिए पर मेड़ सां गॾोगॾु असांखे मुकमिल माना ॾिए. जेको मुकमिल माना ॾिए तो उनखे सोने सेंटेंस चवनि. जीअं मां तव्हांखे एग्ज़ाम्पल लिखिनो नजमा सिंह सां ॿिया खोड़ सारा पुट. दे प्ले गेम. शी eats a mango. More than sentences. So now Najma sings a song. Parts of sentence. Every sentence has 3 parts, which is subject, verb, object. Subject, doer of work. Verb is worked in the sentence. Object, bearer of work. Okay, so now beta, today our topic phrase and sentence have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you again, new topic, new work. So thank you so much and wish you very best of luck.